Hey, how's it going, guys? I have a word I'd like to share with you guys today. So let's just get right to it. Listen for the sound of the trumpet, for it is on the horizon. It shall come swiftly. So be on full alert at this time. Many have waited for many years for this to take place. You shall be swept up quickly to join me in the clouds. Many will not understand what has taken place. As thunder and lightning roar, they will think it's just another weather event. After your departure, it will sink in on what has taken place. Then will they remember the words you have spoken to them that fell on deaf ears. Take heart in knowing that many family members will awaken at this time, finally realizing that it was no joke and that I am real. Some of you will be taken to a special place to commence training, to return as harvest workers during the Great Tribulation, to prepare the hearts of my lukewarm church. The 144,000 chosen by me from the very beginning. You know who you are now and are ready and willing to fulfill the commission I have set before you. Stand now and be ready to receive the gifts I'm about to pour out with great measure. Your King, Yeshua HaMashiach. Matthew 28:18 through 20. John 20:21. And Isaiah 6,